Oh yeah.
Okay.
So this is our plan. We're gonna go scare Kyle with an air horn. It's her plan. She's gonna go to his house, ask for tweezers. She's gonna go in the back room and get them, and then I'm going to hide in his house for a little while.
And then you're gonna scare the crap out of him.
Yeah.
So he can pee his pants.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, that's the plan. See ya. Hey.
Yeah. Hold on, I need to...
Wow. That's cool.
Yeah, I need a shirt.
Oh my god. It smells and you're like, oh. Lizard poop. Ew.
Sister's supposed to be home.
I suppose it was 3.
Mine. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, well, he's home in the shop, so I'll call him to, clean. Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Nickelback.
Wow.
How'd that feel?
That felt pretty cool.
Did you get him?
You missed, I was just walking around my house naked.